In Lebanon, we love to stuff our foods, so much so that we actually have a name for it. We call it mihshi. I'm making Feta Spinach, delicious golden triangles filled with spinach and cheese. And this just needs to rise. Feta can be stuffed with anything, vegetables, meat, cheese. And in Lebanon, these pastries are so popular and can be found at any bakery. I just want to cook down these onions so they get nice and soft. I'm gonna add some sumac to my onions. This is such a popular spice in Lebanon. And these are just ground up berries from a sumac tree. And a little bit of cinnamon to add some sweetness, and nutmeg, just because they go so well together. Oh my God, the fragrance from this pan is making me so hungry. I'm gonna add my cooked spinach to my onions, and I've drained all the water out because I don't want my pastries to be soggy. For some citrus, some lemon zest, and some juice. And I love working with feta because it's so easy. You don't have to cut it perfectly. It can crumble, be any size really, because as soon as you mix this all together, it'll be just right. I love having one of these fresh out of the oven in Lebanon. It tastes so good. But you can even pop these in your freezer and, keep them for whenever you're entertaining and you need like that last minute snack. They're perfect. The feta's already a little salty, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of pepper. And now my dough. Check that out, perfectly risen. All right, rolling time. And to help me make these pastries, I'm gonna use this fancy cookie cutter. But you can use like a yogurt container or a glass, whatever you have lying around the house. And now for my filling. I just don't want to put too much in there because I don't want my feta to expand while it's baking. My technique is I like to pinch 3 sides, nice and tightly. I like to use water to ensure that the dough stays stuck. And there you have it. That's what it should look like. Now I'm gonna make a few more. A little bit of butter to help them get that nice golden brown color. All right, these guys just have to go in the oven. Check this out. Oh yeah. The cheese is melted. Spinach is nice and soft. Warm. Such great comfort food, too. It's nice and tangy. And that pepper helps. And this is such a great example of how simple Lebanese food can be. You've got a little bit of cheese, a little bit of spinach, and you've got a full meal.